Hello, today we're going to be looking at 5 reasons why you should learn how to invest in property today. First of all, before I go into that, my name is Ken Ajoku. I'm a property investor. I've been investing in property for 25 years. I'm very passionate about what I do. I love what I do, and I love most of all helping people to do what I do. I run 4 companies at the moment, all based around property, and I'm really ecstatic and I love what I do about property. So without further ado, what I want to do is share my screen with you so we can talk about those 5 reasons why you should learn how to invest in property today. So reason number 1 is a plan B. Most of us do not have a plan B. They say that most people have your 2 paychecks away from being broke. So a plan B is a very good idea. Multiple streams of income is one way to look at it. Having income streams, passive income streams, and a cash flow that's additional to your salary or your normal business is a very good idea. So have a plan B as your first reason. The second reason is security. Bricks and mortar are long-term investment. I like to see, smell, and touch the asset that I have. I'm not quite sure about all of these electronic assets, etc. I do have a portfolio of stocks and shares and everything else, but my main focus is really on property. So I know that people need to live somewhere, and there's a shortage of UK property at the moment. So as long as there's a shortage, and as long as people are still having children, and as long as people are still moving out their homes, then there's going to be demand. So security is in bricks and mortar. The third reason is pension. Now, the rising cost of living, with the rising cost of living, the way I see it is I don't think a pension would sustain you. It wouldn't be enough to, once you're retired, you wouldn't have enough money in your pension to sustain a life that you were used to or that you'd be comfortable with. So a pension is another reason why you need to be considering investing in property. The fourth reason is wealth. Property produces wealth. I've had property for 27 years. One of the properties I've had has gone up 4 times. So they say that property doubles every 10 years. I've seen it with my own eyes. It does actually work. It's not a dream. It's not a pipe dream. It's not fictitious. It's real. Properties do double. They quadruple even in price, but it's all about getting the property at the right price in the first place. Capital appreciation is over time, the property increases in value, and equity, we usually, when I show my students, we usually get our equity straight away when we're purchasing the property, and equity increases as time increases as well. So you need to know how to do that properly. The next and the last reason I'm going to share today is leverage. Lending at the moment, it's all low. It's never been so low, the lending. So you can borrow money to use to take a mortgage. And then once you've got that mortgage, you can leverage that mortgage to get you rental income. So this is an advantage this is something that you should take advantage of. You should absolutely take advantage of. In the olden days, not too far away in the distant past, we were talking about double figures. The interest rate were double figures. So it was a completely different playing field. So right now, lending is at its all-time low. You should take advantage of that. So what I'd like you to do now is I want you to hop over to propertymillionairesecret.tv/book so that you can download my latest book. Now, it's on pre-order at the moment. So once you've gone to the site, this is what will happen. You'll get onto the page like this. You'll click on yes, pre-order mine, and we have some special offer bonuses that will be going away soon as well. So we're giving you £288 of bonuses that will be bundled with that purchase of the book. So hop over to there now and check out the Property Success Secrets book, which is the ultimate guide, the ultimate beginner's guide to property and profitable investing. So take a full advantage of that. And the address again is www.propertymillionairesecrets.tv/book. Look forward to working with you. I look forward to sharing the secrets. Inside the book, you'll find 3 property secrets that I share over the last almost 3 decades of doing business. We talk about investors, we talk about surveyors, talk about how to work with estate agents, we talk about 21 different motivated sellers, how to get deals Even if you've never done property before, you've not got the knowledge, etc. So this book will show you what you need to do. It's on pre-order at the moment, so take full advantage of it. www.propertymillionairesecret.tv/book. And I look forward to sharing that with you. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless.